Again, I'm getting lost in the emptiness. The time is starting to slow down, and the lights are starting to fade. Her voice is losing intensity. I hear the drops hitting in the sink on the next round. 1. I remember the first time I saw him in front of the mirror. With makeup on his face. Through his eyes, he looked beautiful. To me, a confused 9-year-old, I could only see my father playing dress-up with me. She, on the other hand, my mother, was as confused as I was, and as worried as I never be able to understand. Two. There were fights, screams, and a lot of crying. Something was different. I'm sure it wasn't me. I was just a child. He might leave, she said, but he never did. 3. She didn't stand up. She was laying in there all day long. I thought she forgot I existed. No, she was aware, but she didn't care because the real thing was that she forgot of her own existence. 4. There's a noise filling my ears. It's my own voice. No. Sounds the same, but it's not me. I would never say such horrible things about myself, would I? 5. Everything has gone black. I no longer hear a single sound. I'm here, 2 years later, from the last memory. I'm okay, I'm finally in peace. He left, she stopped crying, and I came back. The boys never left. We were trying to get along. Lights, noises, everything the way it was. I lost count of the drops. I'm not sure how much time has gone by, but it doesn't matter. The important thing right now is that the water never stopped running. I've wasted it, and I couldn't even realize how much water have I lost. I forgot to close the faucet.